Hello everyone. Today we'll start one more problem in graphical method. Solve the LPP using graphical method. Now in this problem, what is given? Minimization of z is equal to 5x1 plus 4x2. Subject to the constraints. The first constraint, the second constraint. First constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. Second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol is given. All the decision variables greater than or equal to 0. Now using the first constraint, we will find the points first of all. x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1 we wrote, and if x1 is equal to 0, how much x2 value? Minus 1 by 2. If x2 is equal to 0, how much x1 value? Is 1. Therefore, we have got the points 0, minus 1 by 2, 1, 0. Second constraint, x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 3. Using this constraint, we will find the points. If x1 is equal to 0, how much is x2? 3 by 2. If x2 is equal to 0, how much is x1? It's 3. 0, 3 by 2, 3, 0. The points we have got like this. Now, if you observe all the points are lies between minus 1 by 2 and 3 like that. Minus 1 by 2, 1, 0, 3. Maximum 3, minimum is minus 1 by 2. Now the points are all lies between these 2 points. Minus 1 by 2, 0, 3, 1 like that. Now we will plot the graph using these points. Now to plot the graph, I took x-axis and y-axis like this. The x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4 I have taken, and y-axis I have taken as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and we will draw the graph here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 we have got like this. Now the first points are 0, minus 1 by 2. 0, minus 1 by 2. Therefore, this is 1. This is minus 1. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 means nearly here you will get the point. Minus 1 by 0, minus 1 by 2. And another point is 1, 0. Here. 1, 0. Join the 2 points with the help of the scale. Now this is the first equation. Now another constraint is another constraint points are 0, 3 by 2, 3, 0. 0, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1.5 means here 0, 3 by 2. Another one is 3, 0. Here. Join these 2 points with the help of the scale. Now this is the second constraint. First constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. The first constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. If the less than or equal to symbol occurs in the any of the constraint, we will get the shaded region having the origin. If the symbol is greater than or equal to, then the shaded region do not contain the origin. You remember this one. Now if you observe this one, using the first constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. Therefore, the shaded region having origin. Origin means, that's why I will draw like this. The second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol. Therefore, the shaded region do not contain the origin. So that which type of which area we have to shade? This area. And another type of stripes I'll draw. Now wherever you get the netted region, that is the our bounded, our feasible region. I'll draw with double line. Now if you see, this is A, this is B. Now this is the feasible region. This is unbounded solution. Now the vertices of this region is A and B. Point A is 0, 3 by 2. Do you know B? B value we don't know. We have to calculate B value. B is the intersection of which two lines? First line and second line. 1 and 2. What is the first line? x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1 is the first line. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 3 is the second line. By solving the equations, we get the intersection point B. We get B is equal to 2, 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2. Now what to do with this point? Now our max z, min z given is min z. Min z is equal to, given problem is in terms of min z, 5x1 plus 4x2. Now our points are ZA. Now the feasible region is having only two vertices. This is our feasible region. A point and B point. That's why ZA is equal to Z of 0, 3 by 2 is equal to, now if you substitute 5 into 0 plus 4 into 3 by 2, if you simplify, how much you will get? You will get 6. Now ZB is equal to Z of 2, 1 by 2. 5 into 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. And if you simplify, how much you will get? If you simplify, you will get 12. Now out of these two values, how much is the minimum value? Because the given problem is minimization case, minimization type. Now out of these two, the minimum value 6, 12, minimum value is 6. Therefore min z is equal to Therefore, min z is equal to 6 at x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3 by 2. Now, for example, if the given problem is of maximization type, we can write max z is equal to 12. It is unbounded solution. If the question is having maximization type problem, this has unbounded solution. But this is minimization type. That's why min z is equal to the out of these two, the minimum value is 6 I took. Min z is equal to 6 at x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3 by 2. Thank you very much.